So this is a smart outlet. This is our eRecruitMe 3.
So far, what we've gotten done is we've performed some market research and identified our competitors, as well as the features and things that our customers expect from a product. We've also researched the hardware components that we'll need to create the actual smart outlet and researched some useful APIs in our software stack that we'll be using to host the web application and to give functionality to the actual device.
As for our problems and risks, um, our competitors have pretty much set a standard that we have to meet and more. So it has been pretty difficult to differentiate ourselves from them. And we're not really seen too much as a painkiller, but as a vitamin, a little supplement. So we're trying to put ourselves in a market in a place where we could kind of serve as a painkiller and compete with our competitors.
Yeah, for our notable successes, we basically have proof of concept of web application, meaning we have used a API that we can use to retrieve energy cost data by location. And we have ordered our hardware components and have made a basic prototype of it. And then with customer meeting, they were generally positive towards our product, which saves them energy. One concern, although, is that they're not really knowledgeable about the market, so they're not sure of our competitors. But with that aside, they are usually positive, and they're generally looking for a product that can be used for outdoor products and also indoor equipment that are not frequently used. And yeah, they'd be interested if the cost was reasonable.
So at least with our Kana model, we've kind of narrowed down for a couple of features. So what we're looking at is to provide weatherproofing of outlet because from the interviews that we've done, the user research we've done, seen that people usually use it outside, outdoors, and that would do well with higher current applications. So that's another capability that we're trying to look into. And then location-based scheduling, easy installation, and personalized energy saving advice are some software and hardware things that we're going to be looking through in order to help set us apart from what's already on the market.
So at the moment, we're planning to have our system designed as kind of two parts. We have the hardware side and the web application side. On the hardware side, we will be using an ESP32 that will connect to Wi-Fi and get user location automatically. We will pass that location to our web application, store it in a database, and be able to retrieve the electricity rates for that given location. So as you can see on the right, given a latitude and longitude, we can get the rates for electricity throughout the day on an hour-by-hour basis. To the left of that, you can see output from our ESP32 with a small proof of concept that we can use the Wi-Fi to get a rough location within about 20 meters. Below that, you can see our idea for our wiring diagram that we'll be using to actually make the device itself uh, so that we can perform switching on the smart outlet. And all the way in the top left is our kind of proof of concept design for how we want our format to be and what the prototype will look like.
So at least for our goals for Sprint 2, we want to complete the hardware prototype and have simple interaction for the web application. So we can just start debugging throughout the next couple of sprints. And then we also want to get more interviews with customers in order to find out what other features we could add and just have more of a better vision